This is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with our family, doing healthy recipes, reviews, and all that kind of great stuff. Today we're going to make an amazing, wonderful drink that is full of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, as well as vitamin E. I already said that, but the great thing about this is it's great at preventing cancer, hypertension, and a lot of other things. So what we're going to do today is we've got 1 zucchini, we've got 6 carrots, we've got 3 large apples, and we also have a 1/4 head of cabbage. Now the great thing is all of these things have a very sweet flavor, so they're not too overwhelming, and when you put them in there, they're super delicious and fresh. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What you want to do is just chop up your apples so that you can fit them in there. And when you put in your cabbage, you want to make sure that you put a piece of apple in first, then your cabbage, and then like another piece of apple, so that the cabbage grinds up really well as getting all the maximum juice out. So we'll go ahead and flip this on. So just go ahead and throw in your apples as well as your carrots. The juice is going to come out. It's going to flow nice and easy. Now the great thing about juicing is that you're going to be able to get a lot more juice than when you're blending, because it's going to have all that fiber in there that you have to wring out. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put in a piece of apple. We're going to put in our cabbage. And then you put in an apple afterwards. And it allows it to go all the way through. You see a lot of the white juice coming out. That's going to be the cabbage. You get the maximum amount of juice coming out of there. Throw your cabbage in the center of an apple. And the great thing about this is it only takes about 1 or 2 minutes, and you have amazingly fresh juice for your family that helps block a lot of bad diseases. It helps with diabetes. It helps with cancer. And the great thing is it gives you a lot of natural energy, so you don't have to drink energy drinks. You don't have to do all of those pills and stuff like that, where you just drink this and you're ready to go for the day. And very soon our son, he's going to be ready for some juice too, but right now he's still drinking that milk. We got the last piece, 2 pieces of apple. And once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and drink it up and share it with you. Alright, we went ahead and mixed it up. Now it's nice and fresh and delicious. And the great thing is this is full of nutrients and life-saving micronutrients. So here it is. We've got our wonderful, delicious drink, and we're going to go ahead and power through the day with it, with me and my family. So fresh and delicious. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, please subscribe. Please give us a big thumbs up for this wonderful recipe. And as always, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin. And as always, spend as much time with your family so you can enjoy the fruits of life. We'll talk to you later.